it is cleaning month on the Living Natural Mama page on Facebook, so I thought that I would show you guys how I clean my diffusers. A little tip. First of all, how sad are my plants looking? But you can take the rest of the diffuser water, whatever was in there, and just give your plants a little bit of diffuser in two different ways. So I'm going to show you both of those. So what you're going to need is the On Guard concentrate and a toothbrush. Take your On Guard concentrate and put in a little squirt, and then you're just going to fill it up with water. Just sit for a while, mostly because I usually am doing other things, and I feel like then it works a little bit better. Then when you are done letting it sit, you use your little toothbrush and scrub. The other way that I clean my diffuser is actually with distilled white vinegar. So you're going to need white vinegar and that toothbrush. Same idea, you put a little bit of vinegar in there, and then fill the rest up with water and let it sit for a couple hours. Use the toothbrush to wash both of those out. I'll show that in a little while after I run some errands. Alright, you guys, hope you're having a living natural day, and I hope you enjoyed this tip.